In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to edit a document on your iPhone. So first of all, go to your App Store and search for Pages. And all you have to install this Pages app that comes from Apple. Just install the Pages app on your iPhone. Now go to your Files app and navigate to the document folder. Now long press the document which one you want to edit. Here tap on Open With, select Pages, and that's how. Go ahead and open the document in Pages, tap on Done, and we can see the document successfully imported in Pages app. Here tap on Edit, and now you can easily pinch your fingers to zoom in or zoom out the document. Now, for example, I want to edit this text box. So I'm just tapping on this text box. And now, as you can see, I can easily edit this text box. I can also delete any text from here. I can write new text just like this. And you can select any text or text box and then tap on Format. And here you can make the text bold, and you can make the text italic, as you can see. So that's how you can underline text. You can change text alignment from here. So go ahead and edit your document from here. Once you're happy, tap on Share, and here tap on Save to Files, and that's how you can just go ahead and save the edited document, or you can tap on Print to print the document, and you can also tap on Export and send the document. So that's how you can actually edit documents. Thanks for watching.